Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to protect your Google Sheets, specifically how you can lock down certain cells, rows, columns, or even entire sheets so that only you or people you choose have the ability to edit them, all explained in clear Telugu. By the end of this video, you'll know how to safeguard your important data while still giving access where it's needed. This is super helpful if you're sharing sheets with classmates, colleagues, or anyone else, but want to make sure your critical information stays safe. Alright, let's dive right in. So let's say you're working on a Google Sheet, maybe it's a class record, a project budget, or any worksheet where some numbers are crucial and you really don't want them changed by accident. Imagine you're the teacher or team lead and there are certain marks or formulas that just shouldn't be messed with. The first thing to do is select the exact cells you want to protect. Just click and drag with your mouse. For example, you might only select column D and E or only a few summary cells at the bottom. Take your time with this step and double check that you've included all the sensitive cells that matter to you. Once you've highlighted those cells, move your mouse to the selection, then right-click. Now the options can look a bit crowded, but don't worry, scroll down and you'll see something called View More Cell Actions. Go ahead and click that. It may feel like you're jumping through an extra step, but this menu is where all the power features are hiding. Inside, you'll find the Protect Range option. This is the key to locking things up. Give that a click. Now a panel will pop up on the right side of your screen. Here you can write a short description to remind yourself or your collaborators exactly why this area is protected. For example, you might write final marks, do not edit, or budget formulas, please double check with me. This note is super helpful in bigger projects, trust me, it's a good habit, so don't skip it. Next, you'll see a button that says Set Permissions. Click that and you'll get two main options. The first is to show a warning when anyone tries to edit the range. This is like a gentle nudge, reminding people to be careful, but it still lets anyone edit if they ignore the warning. The second option is to actually restrict editing, so only certain people can make changes. Now, if you're the only one who should be editing, maybe this sheet is for your classroom or team report, select the option that says Only You. If you're sharing editing with a trusted partner or a small group, you can choose Custom and handpick who gets edit access. This is where you get to be in total control. Once you've set your choice, go ahead and click Done. And that's it. Your selected cells, columns, rows, or sheets are now protected just the way you want. Anyone who tries to edit those parts will either get a warning or not be able to make changes depending on what you set up. Don't worry if you want to adjust this later. You can always come back to these settings and update permissions whenever you need to. And there you have it. That's how simple it is to protect parts of your Google Sheets and keep your important work safe. If you learned something new or found this explanation helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and don't forget to leave any questions or share your experiences down in the comments. And for more practical tutorials in Telugu, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you won't miss out on next week's tips. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video.